Yes, hello. I'm an alien.
Also work.
What? You match the grass. Oh my.
I can't fight. Oh my god! I know that.
Oh yeah.
I got in the sapphire.
All right.
Wait, where's the spawn? We should just like put a bunch of portals around the spawn.
Oh wait, that's actually like the best idea in the world. Okay.
Okay, let's test it. Wait, how will I get out?
Oh no! Wait. They're still coming back now. Are you trapped?
Yes, I'm. When you're done editing, you must look at my beautiful animal.
What did he do? Oh, yes, I remember this.
Nothing suspicious.
Oh, Eve's here. Eve, Oh, she's gone. Have you ready? Oh, Golden came here. Hi, Golden. She immediately went by. She's back. They're back. Please help.
We get paid for this.
All right, Isha, you might want to watch out. Someone's gonna die. Bye.
Bye.
No!
No, they're running. They're running. They're running because
They're running away.
Oh no, I'm on it. No.
What am I? Oh yeah, I forgot how to change for a second. Please, I hope they get stuck. They're all getting sent to. They're all getting sent to pause den. So now everyone went to my den, and they're all dead now.
Oh my god. Okay.
Oh, there's a monkey. I can't see anything. Oh no, I sent all these people to pause den.
You are not loved anymore.
What is this hat? I need it. Your outfit is gorgeous. Cute puppy 1034. Shout out to you. Oh, there's so many people.
I'm getting stuck in my own trap.
I'm a big fan. There's so many people in here. We have to sound the alarm. This guy's just vibing.
Subscriber, no toes.